What are we making? What are we making? What are we making? Oh, it's a chicken wing! The almighty chicken wing. Gordon Ramsay was inspired by hot ones and decided to make them at home. Then I decided after watching his video that I was inspired and I would make them at home. So guess what? This is chicken wing inception, folks. Right here. Stay tuned. What are we going to have to do to start off with this? Well, first thing we got to do is we have to lollipop these. So, we're starting off with 2 pounds of wings, by the way, which is the same thing that Gordon says. What you do is grab... Oh, stupid. Now that my oven was rude enough, and anyways, take your chicken wing, take your knife. What you're going to do is you're just going to go around this upper edge here. All right? Just kind of cut it along right out the bone. And what we're going to do is we're going to lollipop these guys. I didn't go all the way through because, well, I don't want my knife to get all dulled up. So anyways, just kind of go around it here real quick. Okay, just like so. Very, very simple. Easy peasy. Grab yourself a nappy nap or a paper towel or whatever you got around here. No, grab a nappy because I think nappies are called diapers overseas. So don't do a nappy. Well, unless you really want diapers. I don't care. Anyways, it's being a little stubborn, but there you go, right there. First one's done. 2 pounds left to go. We're gonna take some garlic powder here. We're just gonna coat our wings. Just coat our wings. Just lovely, very lovely. Get it all over there. And we have some kosher salt. Go ahead and throw that in there as well. And then, oh yes. Oh, do a rail of that. Oh, look at that paprika. Wow. Woo! I'm gonna have red boogers for a week. There it is, folks. Look at that. Isn't that lovely? Look at that. Brilliant. Beautiful. Lovely. We're gonna give it a toss. Just toss it with your hands. Just give it a little happy toss. Just turn it around. Turn around. Every now and then I coat my wings with a little paprika singing now. Oh, geez, that's all over my hand. This right here, see that? This is why Gordon Ramsay had to do this again. Because they did not coat. So we'll just throw some more on here like this. Okay, we'll do a little thingy thing just like he did. And then we'll give it a little, we'll just give it a shimmy and shake here. Okay, how's that? See, that's better. Yep. Now that we've got our pan hot here, we're going to use some neutral oil, some canola oil. Just kind of get that in here. Get that around ever so gently. Not really, but you know. The smell of this is literally amazing. They smell so good. That smoked paprika smell is just coming out. It's right there. There we go. Give these a couple of turns here. They smell absolutely amazing. So now, a couple of knobs of unsalted butter here. Get those in there. Let that melt down a touch. As you can see there, our butter's getting a little frothy down here in the bottom. So let's go ahead and redistribute our butters and get in the oven. 375, 15 minutes. Get them out here. Wow, they look absolutely amazing and they smell incredible. Wow. So let's go ahead and try not to throw them into there. Let's get them in this bowl. Look at that. You can see the meat pulled up off that bone. Just literally pulled up off the bone. Beautiful, beautiful. Lovely, lovely. Insert adjective here. Okay. Now that we've got that, let's go ahead and take some of our sauce here. We're just gonna just spoon that on there. Just look at that. Nice, nice. Beautiful. Now that we have our wings with a little bit of juice in there, let's go ahead and glaze them up, as he would say, with a couple knobs of butter. We'll just kind of push that down a little bit. Let that residual heat from the wings just kind of sit on top there and melt it. And let's grab that sauce. This is what we're going to use today. We're going to use this Louisiana-based sauce. This is really, really good on wings, omelets, you name it. Just give it a little shake here. Give it a little, there we go. A little bit more there. Perfect. All right. We're going to kind of give this a toss a little bit. Really get that sheen that we want on there. We're going to make a horrible mess of this bowl, as you can clearly see. That butter in there though. Perfect. Perfect. Let's get these transferred over here now to another plate. Let's see here. We'll just kind of wing it. Like so. Maybe get some of these in here. This. Stand a couple up if we can. Looks pretty good here. Not going to be the most beautiful presentation, but going with it. So there you have it. Some beautiful looking wings here. Can't wait to try these little suckers out. But there you go. Here it is, folks. It's earthy, smoky. Ooh, popping my ears. Sniffed it too much. Oh, wait. Yeah. Clean. Super good. That paprika really stands out. The smokiness really works. It tastes a little bit of garlic. That hot sauce just a bit. Yeah. Highly recommend. I'm just being a pig here. Manja.